Hello YouTube, this is the update on my 1/4 scale RC car. This was what it looked like 15 years ago, something like that. And I had a couple reiterations of the chassis because, let's face it, plastic just does not cut it with a little gas engine. So, this is actually off of a Razor scooter. It came in handy with some Stampede Traxxas parts to bolt up to it. Traxxas parts could not handle the engine. One idea was folded stainless steel. Have all the lines marked, bends for everything. Just not the equipment to cut and make those bends. Maybe one day. Nice light, well, not really lightweight. And then in 2013, I went to college. Aluminum welding. Made this chassis. It's very heavy for being aluminum. Quite big. So I went a little different of a route and welded up some sidewalls, thinner aluminum, did some work on the back end, shine some light on this, custom made this part and all that there. I did cheat and go to the hobby shop and buy the A-frame arms and the turnbuckles and where the tire attaches in there. It was a little bit nicer, plus the tires. The engine, thank you sir for the engine so long ago. Still runs, still works. At least it did, I don't know, 6-7 years ago, the last time I started it. And then the front end where everything electronical will go. Still need to make the A-frame mounts, mount the shock towers. A few things here and there, but one of these days it'll get done.